Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Sayyed Reshma Sharif. In this video today I am going to show you how to draw. Okay. Now first of all this is the video for beginners. First of all, before going to learn drawing, first of all you have to learn to draw straight line. See number of straight lines we have to draw. Okay. This is straight line. Without scale we can draw a straight line if you practice. Okay, if you practice this one too, so many number of times you will get. Next one is lines from top, like this you have to draw. See how I am drawing like this. If you practice, this is main line, this one is reference lines. If you practice like this you will get your lines. Okay, next one is the slant lines. See how I'm going to draw slant lines. 1 2 3 4. Next one, circle. See, circle. Triangle. These are the basics. Okay, now the waves. How to draw waves? Start from here. See how simple it is. Practice ma. Practice. If you practice, you will definitely get. Drawing is very, very, very easy if you make sure that if you put lot of interest. In this class, today we learn how to draw straight lines from right, right side to left side and from left side to right side. From top to bottom and bottom to up, like this. Next one is to draw circle. Next triangle, square, rectangle. This is rectangle. This is a square. See how easy it is. See how it's so much of easiest one is this drawing. Thank you for your watching, friends.